In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event management. 2026, step by step. We'll set up a clear, repeatable flow so you can track every deliverable from planning to wrap up. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and heading to the board labeled Trial Management. Think of this board as your control center. It's where all event tasks live, with columns for things like the task name, due date, and status. If the layout looks different on your end, that's okay. Boards are customizable, but you'll want to make sure you can see at least a task name, a due date, and a status column so you can follow along smoothly. Next, add your first item by clicking New Task. Give it a clear, action-based title that tells you exactly what needs to happen, such as book venue, confirm catering, or send speaker contracts. Keep each task focused on one deliverable to make progress easier to track and to avoid confusion later. Add as many tasks as you need for your event. It's better to list them all now than to lose momentum mid-planning. Now open each task you've created and edit its details. Set a realistic due date so deadlines are visible across the board. Update the status to reflect where things stand. Labels like working on it, stuck, or done help your team understand progress at a glance. If your board includes a people column or an updates section, use those to assign owners and jot quick notes like contact details or next steps. You can also attach files such as vendor quotes, floor plans, or run-of-show documents so everything is centralized. The goal here is simple. Every task should have a clear owner, a due date, and a status that tells the current story. When a task is finished, mark it as complete by dragging it to the complete area on your board. In many setups, that's a dedicated group labeled complete. If your board relies on a status column instead, switch the status to done to achieve the same result. This habit keeps your active list clean and lets you see at a glance what's wrapped. To make your board even more powerful, consider enhancing it with widgets and columns that fit your event. A timeline or calendar view helps visualize deadlines while a files column keeps assets handy. Dashboards can summarize what's overdue, what's at risk, and what's already done. Perfect for quick stakeholder updates. That's the core workflow. Open your event board, add tasks, set due dates and statuses, and move completed items to the finish line. Follow this process consistently, and you'll keep every event organized, on track, and stress-free.